Samsung's most anticipated event of the year has unveiled some mind-blowing devices this year. With their new technologies and upgrades, they are sure to grab anyone's attention. Samsung has certainly unfolded new waves of innovations with their Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. Adding more to the excitement, they have also launched one of the most desired smartwatches, Galaxy Watch 4, a classic variant of the Watch 4, and a pair of truly wireless earbuds, calling them Galaxy Buds 2. Each of them comes with massive improvements and excellent features. So let's have a quick peek at what Samsung is offering with these devices. Starting with Samsung's most innovative Galaxy Z Fold 3, a standard-looking smartphone on the front that unfolds into a huge 7.6-inch tablet. It comes with a 2x dynamic AMOLED display featuring a smooth 120Hz of refresh rate for both the inner and outer display. The phone gives more space as your workstation, and this time it's more optimized than the previous ones. Multitasking is effortless with the Z Fold 3 due to the most convenient taskbar. You can customize your most used apps on the taskbar and also switch immediately to the recent apps from the taskbar. With the stereo speakers, Fold 3 delivers multi-dimensional sound. What makes the Galaxy Z Fold 3 stand out is the under-display camera. Samsung has just brought this long-awaited technology into reality and more effectively as well. In addition, the smartphone comes with S Pen support, and Samsung offers a special Fold Edition stylus for your Fold 3. The Fold Edition S Pen is more precise and smoother than ever. And Samsung also brought up an all-in-one pen that is compatible with Z Fold 3 and other stylus-compatible devices as well. Another foldable that snapped with Fold 3 is the next generation of Samsung Flip, Galaxy Flip 3. The phone has that sleeker design that folds itself into a compact body. You can choose your favorite flip from a wide range of colors. Moreover, the cover display of the Flip 3 has been a huge upgrade as it's much bigger and better. The front cameras can be used in many unique ways, and the camera is capable of keeping everyone in the frame with the auto-framing technology. Both the Fold 3 and Flip 3 come with IPX8 water-resistant rating, making them the first waterproof foldable. You can get them at $1,799 and $999 respectively. Now, coming back to the most premium wearable of Samsung, the Galaxy Watch 4 and its classic variant. This has been a massive upgrade with the new captive designs and health sensors. The straps are extremely durable and you can choose from various colors, matching with more than 40 unique watch faces. Samsung has made the watch more optimized for Androids with the latest Wear OS by Samsung. The company claims to offer the most advanced health tracking sensors. The Watch 4 lets you check body composition measurements anytime, anywhere, all with your fingers. Besides, it comes with Samsung's bioactive sensors, which helps to measure body fat percentage with more accuracy. The other essential features include blood pressure monitoring and ECG. In addition, Watch 4 lets you enjoy full freedom with LTE connectivity. You can stream all your favorite tracks from Spotify even if you're not connected to your smartphone. Moreover, the GPS will help you to map all your routes no matter wherever you are. You can get this amazing Watch 4 at $249 and Watch 4 Classic at $349. Last but not least, Samsung launched an amazing pair of truly wireless earbuds, the Galaxy Buds 2. The small and light earbuds offer a super secure fit in your ears and come with a wide range of colors as well. With the latest woofer and tweeter, the buds deliver enhanced sound quality and punchy bass. And if you want to enjoy most of your music, simply turn the ANC on. Buds 2 offers one of the best active noise cancellation technology that clear out all external noise. The advanced call quality ensures clear calls even in noisy areas. You can get up to 5 hours of playtime from the buds with ANC on and for up to 7.5 hours of use without ANC. Besides, you can get up to 20 hours of additional playtime charging from the case. With all these features, Samsung is offering the buds at a much lower price, only at $149. A worthy deal, right? Certainly, this Samsung event was full of exceptional devices and unmatched features. Which one did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.